recently we more think on academic wise. Right? He is feeling some kind of a difficulties, couldn't able to write, couldn't able to concentrate on school and whatever you think that they are saying. But now we have come up with a good aspect of what are the skill set he possesses naturally. So I think this will be pretty much helpful for us, like in terms of making him to groom in a proper channel. Like as you said, there are quite things to be improved. So let's see, we will focus on that and try to improve on his fine motor skill set and those kind of stuff. And also he's having a natural ability in terms of management or managerial skill set and other activities. I think this will give a fair bit of idea, and now our work is to try to accommodate his skill set and try to expose his strength and improve on weakness.
Okay.
I think this will be much more useful for us. I think.
Okay.
So we need to actually, the thing is now it's our work to make them to fit into this criteria. What are the things that you are given? So it's really give fair bit of idea. I think how is he and what are the things he can be able to do and what are the things we need to improve on that. So let's see, we will try.
What about his emotions, sir? It is little high. So
yeah, as you said, we have to make it a bit subdued. Like we need to make him to control his emotion in terms of whenever he comes here. As you explain few ideas to console first, don't react to his emotions. So we need to make him understand that it's not like a big deal kind of a stuff.
yes.
So you have given a good explanation over there, right? So let's see. Generally we have to change a lot in terms of accommodate this kind of. It's more kind of a change for us rather than make him change. If we change only, then the kids will change, and we have to make them understand. Let's see how it goes. We'll try for next 3 months.
I wish Arjit all the very best, sir.
Yeah.